Hi, name is Emmanuel. I am sharing a video to show you a module that I built using Dagger. So what this module does is it generates unit tests for me for a SvelteKit project. As you can see, this project currently doesn't have any tests. This project is it's basically a chatbot leveraging RAG to answer legal questions regarding investing in property in Colombia. I wrote an entire blog about this particular project, how I built it out. I will share that as a link in wherever you see this post, essentially. So I'm generating a test for this using Dagger. Dagger is a programmable CI/CD engine. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna cd into create svelte tests, and I'm going to explain what the command is doing as I'm calling it. So generate unit tests is a LangChain pipeline, an AI agent. So the first things will generate suggestions for unit tests based on best practices for the code containing plus page.svelte in the folder routes in the directory and in root. From there, it's gonna generate code for those suggestions. From there, it'll add type annotations because I'm using TypeScript if that is missing from the code, and then ensure the imports are correct because I'm passing down the structure of because everything in Dagger it's a container, right? It's running in a container, so I can pass down the structure of the entire project. I pass that down to AI so it has context regarding the structure of the project it's writing tests for to ensure the imports are correctly referenced. I'm gonna then export the output of from the container into my local my local host, and then I'll have a home.test.ts file in my folder. So it should be here. Here it is. I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna add that to, I think the project should be rack system front end. I'm adding this to the test folder. So currently there is no bind mounting from what I understand in Dagger, so I have to actually export the file to get it out of the container. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run another module that I built in Dagger. So this one is a module to run my tests in a containerized environment for consistency. So I'm going to call, it should be this one. Yes, that should be right. So let's see what happens now. So I'm going to share a detailed blog that's going to spell out what I did, how I built the module, and the rationale behind why I used Dagger to build this particular module. That's going to be a link attached to wherever you see this video too. So let's see what happens. I'll show you the test code itself so you see what it looks like. So you can add more tests if I want to, which I will later, but it's gonna... There you go.